back here in my lair. I'm gonna go through some coins that my grandpa had dropped off for me. He takes all coins 1960 1970 and before, puts them in a nice little baggie whenever he visits, and he visited this weekend. Yeah. So let's get into it. Alright, let's look at quarters first. Say 1965. Oh, that's not a quarter. An idiot. 1967. 1965. Ooh, that's a pretty good condition. 65. Not sure if you could see that. 1965. And a 1965. Okay. Moving down in value to dimes. Wow, look at that 1967. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, that's a 1967. Camera focus. Oh well. It's a P. Not sure if that's a proof. Set that aside, that's a pretty nice one. See what we got here? This is a 1969D. Uh, 1967 P. They didn't really make anything other than P's from like 1965 to 68, I believe. Oh, no way! That's silver. It's a D. 1964 D dime. See if we can get this in on the camera. Come on, camera. That's nice. Just to show you guys that it's indeed silver. The outside is there's no copper ring and much higher tone. That is really cool. I'll set that in my good pile over here. Silver and a proof conditioned 67. Alright, moving down in value, nickels. Ooh, a 1947. Not silver. The only silver nickels that they made was during World War II. No mint mark on the back. Mint mark is right there. And there's the date right there, if you're getting into coin collecting. Alright, other nickel. 1958. Another pre-60s nickel. And then we have a D mint mark. Not really sure if you're going to be able to see that. That's nice. Alright, pennies. This might take us a while. So let's get started. 1969D. 1966. Then again, no mint mark. 1962D. A Canadian coin. I live pretty close to the border, so we get a lot of Canadian coins. Just 150 miles or something. 1984 Canadian. Set that aside since it's foreign. A 1963D. Another 1963D. 1968D, 1969D, getting a lot of D's. D's nuts. Haha, get pranked. 1968D, 1964, no mint mark. 68D, 68D, and that one had a little bit of mint luster still on it. 1965, no mint mark. 1962D, 1969, ooh, they did make S's in 68, 69, but that is a small D, like me. 66, 1964, no mint mark, and there's no mint mark on the 66. 69D, 1964, no mint mark. 1962D, 1968, no mint mark. 1964D, 1969S, set that aside since it's an S, and a 1967. So there we go. We went through all of the coins from this bag. We had a few goodies in there, like the silver, the really nice conditioned dime, and the 1969S, along with the nickels and the Canadian coin. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Okay, super quick video. I got my record needle back in today. Just close the door of my lair. So, anyways, yeah, I got my record needle back in today. It is a Shure. I think it's a something 70, I believe, and it's for my 1978 Fisher record player. Kind of very carefully open up the packaging because I don't want to damage anything. You can call me an audiophile. I take pride in my vintage, very high quality audio equipment. So as you can see, it is a nice beige stylus that will go along nicely with the brown of the rest of the little stylus holder thing. So it is a Shure N70B or a M70B, and it is a 33 and 45 RPM record. Not RPM record, but it plays at those speeds. Manufactured in Switzerland, not China. Tip radius 0.0006 inches, I'm assuming. 1 to 1.5 to 3 grams tracking force, and it is a diamond stylus. So how do I get this open? Maybe this just like slide out. What do I do? I think this is supposed to come out. Again, we really got to be careful. These are not cheap. So, I'll show you installing it. Okay, now I'm with the record player. I'll set this down. So what you're going to do is you're going to spinning that the wrong way. You're going to take that part out. Oh, you should have that clipped down. Then, once you take this, that part slides right out. That is a backup stylus. It still works, but it is getting on the worn out side. Then we are going to take our new stylus and slide that. Kind of have to get at an angle with it. Slide that down into there. Hold on, I did that wrong. That wrong again. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So now what you have to do, take 3. What you have to do is slide that right down into there, like so. Now you carefully put that back in. Like that, there we go. Just twist it like that. And it is installed. So there we go.